Hi, students of Year 4. We are here in a new lesson of our topic water, weather, and climate. Today, we're gonna see how the meteorologists use the data, the information that they get from weather stations. In the last lesson, we studied some weather instruments like the thermometer, we study as well the anemometer and also the rain gauge. Okay, with these instruments, with these tools, meteorologists can make graph. Okay, they can use this information and they can look for patterns. Okay, patterns in the weather, as you can see. This is an important word that you have to remember. Okay, in this lesson, pattern. Okay, it's a key word. Okay, yeah. In Spanish, we say a patrón, okay? They are looking for a patrón in the weather, okay? So, with this information, they made graphs, okay? Today, we're going to see two types of graph. The first one is a line graph, okay? So, what do we represent in this graph? Well, they represent, for example, there is a line, okay, which represent the months, okay? I'm gonna show you in a minute, okay, that we have in this axis, yeah, the months, okay, January, February, March, okay? And in this other line, what do you think we represent? What is this symbol? This big C with this dot. What is this? Okay, maybe you have an idea. Okay, yes. As you can see, this represents the temperature. Okay, so this is called a temperature graph. Okay, well, as you can see, the temperature is represented here in January and is, well, just about 10 degrees, okay, between 10 and 15, okay. If you see in June, it's quite different, okay. Well, this representation probably is from a city or from a region, okay, and you can see that in the summer months, July, August, September, the temperatures are higher, okay. So what do we have to do here? Okay, we're going to examine this graph, okay, and we have to answer these three questions. Okay, so please pay attention. Which was, looking at the graph, the hottest month? Okay, the hottest. And which was the coldest? Also, the second question, which months had an average temperature of 20 degrees? Okay, maybe you don't remember what's an average. Average is la media, okay? So which month they have this media, okay, of 10 to 20 degrees? And finally, the last question, how many months have an average temperature of less than 20 degrees? Okay? Less, okay? Less. Now we're gonna continue seeing the second graph. Okay, the second graph has one side, this axis, that also represents the months, as you can see. But this graph is quite different. We don't have dots like this, we have bars, okay? So there are bars that are higher than others, okay? These are the tallest and the shortest one here. But have a look. Here we don't have the same unit. We have now millimeters. Well, these graphs represent the rain. And normally we use this measure, okay? And also it's quite common that you can see liters per square meter. In Spanish, we usually use litros por metro cuadrado. So if you see the news, if you see the weather forecast, okay, las noticias, okay, and you see the predicción meteorológica, the people who are talking about, the meteorologists who talk about the precipitation, the rain, they often say, okay, liters per square meter, okay? So as you can see, if you see, for example, January and February, we see the quantity here of rain. If you compare with summer months, well, the bars are shorter. So what do you think they represent? Yeah, the quantity of rain is less important, okay? It's more short. Okay, so basically you have two questions here to answer, okay? Which was the wettest month and which was the driest, okay? Wet, if you don't remember, represent how humid is a month. And dry is the opposite, okay? Dry means seco, okay? And the second question, why do you think there was less rain in June, July, and August? Okay, we don't know what city or what place this graph represents, but why do you think there was less rain? Have a think, okay? Okay. Thanks for listening and see you soon, raccoons. Bye bye.